be showing you the Shark POWERFINS vacuum cleaner. This is a Shark POWERFINS model WZ140 space 26 vacuum cleaner. Now, I actually really like this one. We actually use this one in our house. So this is ours to use. It has a couple modes and I really like this machine. So we're going to start vacuuming half this up. So this 3 is going to be first with low power mode, and this is for bare floor mode. Here we go. You're going to do high mode with pulling this trigger right in here. So here we go. It's filter time. Now this will not stand up, it'll just fall down. So on the back there's this little thing, and on here there's this little thing. You're just able to slide on and it'll stay like that. So to get to your filters, you're going to want to click this button. Then your dustbin should come off, your whole dustbin system. Like that. And then you'll find right here, filters. So let's say, or right here, that you can take these out, and take these out, and there's your dirty. So these filters are just filters to keep the vacuum clean. And they're not that dirty because we haven't used them for years and years. If you saw our work video, I believe that was 19, or some dirt accidentally exploded. We're going to be editing that part out. But you have to wait until this day and figure that out. So here's where you get any clogs, so if it clogged or anything. Now this shouldn't turn on while there's no dustbin. It might, but it shouldn't. So you press on this and this comes down. This little light right here, this LED light. We'll see it. This LED light right here is, so this should be green. If it's red, that means you have something caught in your brush roller. So let's say my hand was caught. This should turn red, and then that will indicate that it's not working. So that's how that works. So the way to charge it, there's this whole port here. You get a charger, it comes with it. And you have your charger, and you squeeze that in. It's nice and snug, won't come out. You can set it to your charger, so you just plug it in. So viewers, when we do a full video on it, we will tell you more and more facts about it and stuff. This is probably about the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And this just puts on. Bye for now.